Brendan Fraser from The Mummy. I get so many requests for his haircut, so let's break it down into here. So you can see it is cut around the ears. So he does have a somewhat cleaner haircut, nice and neat. It probably can be done with like a number, I would say number 3 clipper guard maybe, or it can be done by hand to where it all just is nicely blended and tapered up to about right into here. And the top, the very important part of this whole haircut, and that's why I think so many people love it, is that the top, probably if you pull this straight down, comes down to about the bridge of the nose. So don't be fooled because the hair is dry, so it's gonna jump up or shrink up. If you took this one piece and brought it all the way down to about right here, it's probably gonna go that far down. And as you get a little bit closer into here, you can see that for these types of haircuts, it's all about creating balance and where you want the shapes to happen. The angle or the longer part or the layers start about right into here. When the hair is held out this way, it's created from cutting the layers to here and then going triangular. This haircut works phenomenally well on someone who's got more of a round face. Triangular shapes actually narrow the face down, so if you want to camouflage a rounder face shape, this is a great haircut. Now this could be from The Mummy or The Mummy Returns, you know, either one, the haircut still is fairly similar. So a center part, and I want you to take close note of this. This hair, if it's brushed back, will actually go back over the ear this way, right? And you can see it, it's clean around the ears, so there isn't any hair overhanging. The reason is because all of the layering takes place about right in through here. This is where the shape is really starting. So the way it's cut is that it's going shorter up into longer. So if you want this type of haircut, you need to express that you want your layering and your shape to be kind of right in through here. So, you know, tapered, blended up, and you want the layering to start in through here so that you can angle it coming down this way. And once again, this front, if it's pulled all the way down, is probably gonna come to about right here. Here's another great example. Look how long that hair is right there. So it's pulled down to about right in through here. And the top is actually really long. You can see how the top overhangs this way. So a lot of this is really, really longer on top. It's not really an undercut. It's just that the way the layering is. And a lot of times what I've even done and showcased in a lot of even my videos here you can watch on YouTube is that I'll pull the hair down to about right here and cut everything on an angle this way, right? An extreme angle this way. Bring everything down to this one point, cut it on an angle, and then when you brush it back, that maintains your length, and then you can start to work up the tapering and the blending. So what products could be used for this hairstyle? I have a great product called Shadow, my Success Paste, something very, very, very light. You can even use just Tidal Wave on its own. You can use Sleek Serum if you want to get more of a sleeker type of look. You can use my Crafted Matte Pomade if you want more of that second, third day lived-in look. So really this isn't about a super strong holding paste. A lot of this is a natural flow. You could even just use hairspray, like my Locked hairspray. So it really comes down to having the right hair texture. This is pretty much 100% straight hair. So if you have straight hair, medium density, your hair can be fine, but you need a good amount of hair for this. And also the length. You need to make sure your length comes down to about right here. If you're trying to grow it out, just focus on being able to pull the top down to about right here and all of the sides to about here. Go to a good hairstylist. I wouldn't just walk into some random barbershop. And if you want to purchase any of my products for this look, you can use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com.